we connect this to Ndi PTZ camera and this Ndi joystick controller. And today we are going to show you how to do the shortcut functions. Let's get started. We press this button and you can find two Ndi devices here. One is 116 and another is 175. Okay, so to do shortcut, we press this menu button and we go to shortcut. Yeah, you need to make it on. Yes, and choose Ndi protocol. (116). Yes. Okay, now we go to the CH2. Also make it on. We choose Ndi protocol. 175. Yes. So we already set CH1 and CH2. Now we are going to test it. We press CH1. Okay, you can see works very smoothly. And we press CH2. Yeah, also working great. Okay, thank you so much.